Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store billing problem. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing App Store billing problem, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app here, go to General, go to VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. And then you have to go ahead to screen time section and here just go to content privacy restrictions, or you can directly disable all the restrictions from here, or you can go to app installation and purchases, select in-app purchasing, and you have to make sure that it is set to be allowed. If you don't allow it, just select allowed from here, then go back from here and go to your Apple ID settings. Now here, sometime it might be that there will be any issue with your billing problem or with your payment method. So you can directly fix this or you can manually fix this, but this might be too many difficult. So you have to go to your app store here and tap on your Apple ID. And here you have to go to account settings. So just wait for this loading here. And here you have to select the manage payments option, and you'll get all the payment methods you have added to your Apple ID. But I recommend you have to try to remove your previous payment method from here. Once you have removed, you can re-add them without any issue like that. So you have to go ahead to your country region option here and just wait for the loading and select your own country region in which you're living. And now on this section, just select country region, and you just have to try to select your own country region in which you are living.